Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make House of the Dragon in Infinite Craft, starting with the basic elements. So let's get started. First, combine water and fire to make steam. Now combine steam and earth to make mud. Next, combine water and mud to make swamp. Then combine fire and mud to make brick. Now combine fire and swamp and you'll get dragon. Next, combine wind and brick to make house. After that, combine water and dragon to make sea serpent. Now combine steam and dragon to make steampunk. Combine sea serpent and steampunk to make steam serpent. Finally, combine house and steam serpent and there you have it, House of the Dragon in Infinite Craft. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Infinite Craft recipes. Thanks for watching.